Dear power companies, the days of depending on you are over. We've had enough. Signed, Orlando homeowners. This isn't just a letter, it's a declaration. A declaration from families who are tired of waiting for the lights to come back on after every storm, who are done watching their bills climb higher with every heat wave. Today, they're taking matters into their own hands, breaking free from the grid, and taking control of their energy future with the help of Sunstorm Energy. This is their story, and they're winning. Let's talk about how this actually works. The heart of any off-grid system is all about the components. It's kind of like building a custom energy system for your home. First up, you've got the batteries. Think of these as your energy vault. They store all the power you'll need when the sun isn't shining. Then you have the solar panels, soaking up all that amazing Florida sunshine. The charge controllers are like the traffic directors, making sure the batteries get just the right amount of power. And finally, the inverters turn that stored energy into the kind of power your home appliances use. It all works together to keep your home running smoothly. Now, when it comes to batteries, you've got a few options. There's the classic lead-acid battery, been around forever and gets the job done. But then there are the lithium-ion batteries, which are kind of the new big thing. They last longer and work more efficiently, though they do cost a bit more upfront. Whether you go with the tried-and-true lead-acid or the longer-lasting lithium-ion, Sunstorm Energy can help guide you to the right choice for your setup. Living in Orlando definitely has its own set of challenges, like hurricane season. It's no joke here. That's why if you're going off-grid, you need to make sure your system is ready for anything. This means securing your solar panels properly, and maybe even having a backup generator for those long stretches of cloudy weather. Let's not forget about air conditioning. Orlando summers can be brutal, and keeping cool can take a ton of energy. That's why we always recommend energy-efficient solutions like mini-split AC units or even geothermal systems. They might sound fancy, but they can seriously cut down your energy use while keeping you cool and comfy. Sunstorm Energy can walk you through the best options for your setup, so you can stay chill even when the temperature isn't. Now the good news is, off-grid tech is only getting better. Batteries are lasting longer, solar panels are getting more efficient, and there's even talk of smart grid integration that could open up a whole new world of possibilities. It's an exciting time to get into this, and it's becoming more accessible and reliable than ever. But before you dive in, a quick heads up. Orlando has some specific rules when it comes to solar installations and battery storage. Don't worry though, Sunstorm Energy knows the ropes. They'll help you navigate all the regulations so you get a system that works for you and ticks all the legal boxes. Sure, going off-grid is a bit of an investment at first, but it's not just about buying a power system. It's about gaining freedom and peace of mind. In a place where power outages happen all too often, having your own reliable energy source is a game changer. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about sustainable living and energy independence, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more videos soon. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.